What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a very long time since I made a video, as you're probably well aware of. Basically, the reason I haven't made a video is because I've been moving, and it's been a very stressful process. We sold the house in Gastonia. We had issues with the buyers like right before closing, which pushed it back like another week, and you know, there's just a lot of stuff that was going on that made filming a video really difficult. Between moving from that house to this house, I was staying at my mom's for a couple of weeks with my wife Hannah, and you know, it was just a big mess. So it was really hard to make a video between work and moving. You know, YouTube just got pushed to the back burner. And what's been going on with the car since then? Not a whole lot. Only thing is, I put the mufflers back on because this is not the kind of neighbor. I'm living in a townhouse and I don't want to piss my neighbors off when I leave for work at 6 in the morning every day. So yeah, I'm not doing that. So I put the mufflers back on. Car's a bit quiet. Still have the downpipe. Still have the resonator out. Makes a good sound. I'll have some sound clips in this video for you to check out, so you can hear what it sounds like with essentially the stock exhaust with downpipes. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. At the end of the video, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about my new place. So where did I move? I moved to another suburb of Charlotte. So Gastonia is basically a suburb of Charlotte. It's a very impoverished suburb of Charlotte, let's put it that way. And I didn't want to live there anymore. I was just sick of being depressed at everything I see, trash everywhere, people not taking care of their houses, you know, people's grass that are up to your knees, stuff like that, you know. Just couldn't stand it anymore. Wanted to get out of there. So we started looking at places, and we settled on the suburb called Indian Land. It's actually in South Carolina. Technically, Indian Land is not even a town. It's unincorporated land. They just voted to stay unincorporated by a huge margin, so no city taxes coming my way anytime soon. So that was a huge benefit of it. Tax advantages, being able to afford a large home in a good neighborhood. Very, very good reasons for choosing this place. Very nice neighborhoods. You know, just everything. So this is a huge neighborhood being built by lots of different builders. Got one developer, several builders. There's Lennar's in here, D.R. Horton, Eastwood Homes. There's other ones too, local builders that I'm not sure the names of, M&I Homes. So, you know, it's a huge neighborhood. It was originally approved for up to 2,100 homes. Pretty sure that they're going to be building more than that now. They just broke ground on some more townhomes up the street a little bit. It's very exciting to watch this place grow. Indian Land is the fastest growing suburb of Charlotte right now. It's right next to Fort Mill, pretty close to Rock Hill. Ballantyne, if you know Charlotte, is right up the street. Very good location. So very thrilled about that. But anyway, you guys probably don't really care too much about where I'm living. You probably care about this garage, this car. And so this is a two-car garage. I was going to build a two-car garage at the house in Gastonia. Decided I'd just rather buy a place. So this is like a two-car garage, and that's it. It's a place to park your cars. But I have put my stuff over here, so let's go check that out. So it's not organized yet, obviously. I've got my Craftsman tool there, and then the top part of the chest is on a shelf, which it's because I brought the top part over before the bottom part, so I just stuck it there, and then I haven't moved it and set everything up properly yet, so I'll be doing that shortly. Got my cleaning supplies up here. As you can see, it's all not very organized. Up top, there's miscellaneous stuff, but the downpipes, the stock downpipes are up there. Got a few other stock parts up there that might be worth keeping. So I've got my microfibers all in there, tools all in here. Very well, you know, just very nice little corner here to have. So I'm gonna bring my jacks over here still. My jack stands. I'm gonna buy a new floor jack because I don't know if any of you guys have seen my videos where where I've jacked the car up, where I have to kind of jack it up from the side to get the front high enough to get the big jack under the middle of the car. And that's really just a pain, so I just need a low pro jack. So I'm going to be buying one of those instead of bringing my old jacks over here. I'm just going to leave those at my mom's house if I ever need them over there. So Hannah doesn't want me showing off the inside of the house before we finish cleaning it up. Hit that subscribe, guys. But I'm going to give you a little tour. So let's go have a look. Just a quick once over. So here is our kitchen as soon as you walk in. Very just nice granite countertops. Got the island right here. As you can see, boxes everywhere. Sun is bright because I don't have the lights on in here. Let's turn them on, get a better look. That's our kitchen. As I say, we haven't put everything away. Lots of space. Guest bedroom over there. Upstairs, just 3 bedrooms, like a kind of family room area. Nothing else really up there. Laundry room too. Big old TV. Just bought it because our old one didn't cover up the wall mount behind it. So brand new 43-inch. Brand new couch. Bought that because our couches at the old house were just, you know, they weren't worth taking. So got stools for the bar. Just builder grade appliances. We didn't buy new construction, but the house was built in 2017, so the previous owners who lived here about a year and a half bought it new construction. Alright guys, so I'm really excited about being able to bring a new chapter of BMW E90 HQ to you from this garage. Having a garage where I have all my tools, a good spot where I can work on my car, instead of having to go to my mom's house because I have a gravel driveway like I did in Gastonia, and all that stuff, and be able to bring much higher quality DIYs, more DIYs. So let me know what I should do next to my car. I know I'm going to be changing the spark plugs and coils soon because I've been about 20,000 miles, full bolt-on tune, with you know, a set of plugs and coils. These go about every 30 to 40,000 miles stock, so I'm on borrowed time right now, so we'll be doing that soon. I want to get paddle shifters, like real paddle shifters, not those stupid, ugly stock ones that are like, you know, you go towards you to go up a gear and away from you to go down a gear. I want left down, right up, you know, like every other car on the face of the earth is. I don't know what BMW was thinking when they did this, but I'm going to correct it. So yeah, let me know if you have anything else I should do. Like I said, car is full bolt-on if you're new. Now enjoy some revs. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.